Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubik's. Today we are going to solve this 2x2 puzzle in a very simple steps. Yes, I'm gonna teach you how to solve this 2x2 puzzle using a very easy algorithms. Okay, now why wasting time? Come on, let's shuffle this cube and let's get started. Now the cube is completely shuffled, so I'm gonna start solving these cubes. Yes, come on, let's get started. First, you have to find any one white color block and keep it on your left hand side. Okay, this is the first step. You can find any white block. Okay, it should be in the top. Once you find the white block, keep it on the top left hand side. Yes, you can see here my white on my left. Okay, you should not keep it on the back side of the cube. It should be in front of you, in the front layer. Next, you have to see who is white friend. Here my white friend is orange. So here in this cube we don't have centers, we only have 4 blocks of each color. Please remember, each color we have 4 blocks. For example, 4 orange, 4 white, 4 green, 4 yellow. Each color we have 4 blocks. So now the first step is, here we have white and orange block on my left side. So next white and orange block should come to its right side. So this is the procedure. I need to find one more white and orange block for my right side. Let's find it. Oh, here it is. It's already on my right side bottom layer. Okay, so it is in the correct position to fix it in the top. If it is somewhere else, you have to turn the layer and get it in the right bottom position. Please do remember the positions of the cube. If the first white block is on your left top, the second white block should be on your right bottom. Hold in the same position and apply the given formula. RI, DI, RD, RI, DI, RD, RI, DI, RD. Keep applying the formula until you complete and fix the 2 whites and 2 orange in this position. Once 2 blocks of same colors are fixed using the formula, keep it on your left hand side. The line should be on your left side. Please don't forget to keep the line on the left hand side. Okay. Then again we have to repeat the same steps. Here on my left side I have white and green piece. Okay, I'm finding one more white and green block. Here it is on my right side top. Okay, so first I have to get it to the right side bottom, then I have to use the given formula. See, like this, one is on the left top and other block is on my right bottom. So this is the holding position, and start applying the formula. Repeat, RIDI RD. Yes, it's already fixed. Yes, done. Now again keep it on your left hand side. Now again I have white and red block on my left top, so I have to bring other white and red on my right top. So let's find where it is, white and red block. Here it is. So get it to the right bottom. Yes, by turning the down layer I brought one more white on my right bottom. Now let's start applying the formula to fix it on my right top. Please do remember one thing, if you keep the second block anywhere else, the formula won't work. The position should be left top and right bottom, otherwise the formula will not work. So keeping it on the same position, apply the formula given so that the block will get fixed. You have to use the formula until you fix all the white properly on the top. So now here you can see all the white has been fixed and the first layer of the cube is also completed. When we complete the white on the top, the first layer of the cube should also get completed. Once white is completed, next step is to complete the yellow. So we already know yellow will always be opposite to white. So we have to bring all the 4 blocks of yellow on the top. Here we will be having different cases to solve the yellow positions. Okay, for all the cases I will be using one single algorithms which I have shown in the video. Please watch the video till the end to learn all the cases properly. To start, first you need to check is there any two yellows in front of you like this by turning the cube. If there is no yellows together in your cube, if all the yellows are like this split one yellow, then you have to check how many yellows are there on the top. Here you can see only one yellow is there on the top. So if one yellow is on the top, keep it on the left hand side and apply the given formula RURIU RUU RI. Again, one yellow is there on the top, turn the cube, keep it on your left hand side, repeat the formula RURI URUURI. Yes, now here yellow is completed, you can see. As I already told you, we will get so many cases to complete the yellow. I'm gonna show you one more case how to solve the yellow using the same algorithm. Here, after completing the white, I have no yellows on the top, but I have two yellows in the straight line in front of me. I already told you whenever there is two yellow, you have to keep it in front of you and you have to use the algorithm RURIU RUURI. Okay, so now there is two yellows on the top, but front side there is no two yellows together, the yellows are splitted. So what you have to do, the top two yellows should always be on your right hand side. One yellow left hand side, two yellows right hand side. Please remember these steps, this is very important. Okay, now keeping two yellows on your right hand side, apply the same algorithm and start solving the yellow RURIU RUURI. Now we have one yellow on the top, this we already know how to solve. One yellow should always be on the left side and apply the same formula, your yellow will get solved easily. Until you complete the yellow, you have to use the same formula. Here yellow is completed again. So here we will get one more case, that is sometimes on the top yellow will be diagonal to each other. When diagonal to each other on the top, how to hold the cube? This is very important because after completing the white we have already learned two cases, one single yellow, front two yellow cases. Now this is diagonal case. When you have diagonal yellows, the one yellow on your left should be in front of you. Okay, this is very important. One yellow should be on the left and other yellow should be on the right side top. Holding this position, again apply the same formula to complete the yellow. Here you can see there is two yellows on the top, two yellows in the front, but I already told you when you have yellows in front of you, that should always be in front of you no matter what. Okay, hold the same position, start applying the formula. One yellow on your left hand side, same formula. Keep repeating the formula until you complete full yellows. So now you have learned all the cases holding positions for completing the yellow on the top. Now once yellow is completed, let's focus on completing the last layer of the cube again, which is a very easy step. This is going to complete in one shot. Here after completing yellow, first you need to check is there any color completed. If any color is completed, please keep it on the back side. If any color is not completed, cube is looking same like this all the sides, then you can hold the cube in any position. But remember, yellow should be on the top and white should be in the bottom. No changes in these positions. So here my orange is completed, so I am keeping my orange color on the back side of the cube. If you don't have any color completed, then you can hold the cube as it is in front of you and do this algorithm RI, F, RI, B, B, R, FI, RI, B, B, R, R. So now the whole cube is completed. Very simple. Hope you all like this video tutorial. If you don't understand, please watch this video tutorial again from the beginning one more time. I'm sure you will understand properly because I have explained in a very easy and simple steps. If you still have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment sections. I will do reply. Hope you all enjoy my video. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Happy cubing.